Better biking with survival skills.
Many riders with a car background select top gear much too soon, so last video I suggested a simple exercise to get a better feel for the gearbox by riding at the same speed in different gears. A lot of riders also change gear unnecessarily, so here's a second exercise, the one gear game. It helps develop a sense of how we can use the bike's rev range instead. The aim is to find a flexible gear, that is, the gear that allows us to move seamlessly between deceleration and acceleration without constantly changing ratio. Here's how. Find a quiet stretch of road where you can ride back and forth. First, ride it as you normally would. How many gear shifts did you make? Now ride it again, but this time try to stay in top gear. Obviously change gear if you have to. Was that easy? Go down a gear and try again, and then again another gear lower, and so on. Which gear minimizes gear shifts? Which offers the best balance of acceleration and deceleration? This is your responsive gear, and it's not the same for all bikes either. Get into the habit of riding your favourite roads in a single gear. It helps prevent gear shifting mid-hazard, and it's a very useful way of encouraging us to be thinking further ahead. Last-minute gear shifts are a good sign we're not planning effectively.